Waterfall. I don't want to be afraid anymore, and I want to live unashamed with what little time I have left. But in myself I know I don't have what it takes to be so consumed with Jesus. I pay no mind to their opinion of me. As a child I never got to know myself, and so afraid what people would see. Unafraid, unashamed. Oh, that's how I'm gonna live. Peace and joy will consume my life. Yes, they'll be my closest friends. But my love for people must be greater than my fear of the unknown. Jesus, fill me with your love. I need for your will to be done. Lord, how do I live unafraid? And how do I live unashamed? All I really know for sure is that I don't have what it takes. Then Jesus took my hand and we walked for a while. When we stopped, the waterfall was right before my eyes. Cascading down, it began to sound like a song singing. It's beautiful to go lower, lower still, go further down. Then I understood what he was trying to get me to see. I must become the waterfall, and the waterfall must become me. When we're free, we live unafraid, and we're not under the weight of shame. So we're overflowing, constant pouring out, like the waterfall every day. Jesus, the living water, abandoned all to continually pour himself out, just like the waterfall, to put an end to fear and shame and show me how to do the same. Jesus said, out of your belly will flow rivers of living waters. Unafraid and unashamed. Oh, that's how I'm gonna live. Peace and joy will consume my life. Yes, they'll be my closest friends.